inLighten's iView T tabletop digital signage system is a small yet powerful self-contained unit for getting your video messages up close and personal with visitors in your locations. iView T is available in both horizontal and vertical formats, and it's ideal for product advertising, rate presentations, announcements, instructions, and more. Its clean, simple design is at home anywhere, and iView T includes a 10-inch high-definition display, onboard speakers, and AV connectors on the lower back of the unit for easy access. iView T provides a portal to inLighten's universal, all-encompassing hosted network for program scheduling, multimedia resources, digital signage creation software, along with help and training resources. Additionally, a comprehensive suite of support services is delivered by experienced and highly skilled professionals. How does it work? Log into the Web Manager from anywhere to import, schedule, and upload content to inLighten's network. iView T then retrieves content and scheduling instructions from our network for playback. iView T from inLighten fits your digital signage needs to a T.